Hi friends, today we are going to install a seal in washing machine spin drum. So let's restart. There is a seal which we going to replace it and install a new one. I will give you a tip today. When you are about to install any seal inside the spin drum, it is important to ensure that the seal fit perfectly on the shaft without any gap. Whenever you install the seal, make sure to check like I am installing it right now. It should rotate it shouldn't be jammed, and it should not get stuck. Also, it is important that the shaft is of the correct size with no gap. And look at this seal. This is rotating, and try to must apply oil on it and grease as well. And important, if you are removing old one, it is important that to install the holder along with the new seal. Thank you very much. Must watch and share my video. Thank you.